Right now, our top Treasure State story for you. Butte experienced a number of suicides recently, which has brought the attention to a problem that is considered a crisis situation for Southwest Montana. MTN's John Amy tells us how health officials want to address the issue.
In addressing the problem of suicide in Southwest Montana, the progress is not good.
Poor. Very poor.
The state ranks first in the nation for completed suicides per capita. Mental health officials say it's a crisis situation, and the best way to address it is through a proactive, coordinated strategy of response through multiple agencies.
We can begin to link our communication, our helplines, our suicide hotlines, and begin to give people a local response. We know that, in fact, we can begin to reduce the number of individuals completing suicide.
This coordination has been difficult since so many agencies are often in competition for the same grants and are having a lack of mental health resources.
It's very difficult to partner when you're in competition with one another. Mental health concerns really should be a community response that works together to solve a problem. And instead, what we've done, we've created an isolationist type of approach to mental health.
Some in Butte are doing their part, such as the Orphan Girl Children's Theater, which will host a play for young people called Every Brilliant Thing that addresses the issue of suicide.
There will be a panel discussion afterwards, a talk back to kind of process how the audience feels about the play and ask questions and receive support afterwards.
And that message seems even more urgent to get out here in Butte today, where right here at the base of Big Butte, some people erected a makeshift memorial in memory of a young Butte man who recently took his own life. This problem is not going away.
I mean, you have high unemployment. Higher than the rest of the state. You have a depressed economy. You have individuals, there's a drug epidemic here that other counties are experiencing, but a higher rate here.
Officials say they're ready to address the crisis. In Butte, John Amy, MTN News.
John tells us that play and panel discussion addressing suicide will be next Tuesday at 7:30 at the Orphan Girl Children's Theater in Butte. It is free and open to the public.